Hello and welcome. I am Danish bin Nabi. My today's guest is Jammu and Kashmir Bank Kashmir North Zone's Zonal Head, Mr. Arshad Hussain Dar. Arshad Saab, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
Arshad Saab, what is the size of banking in North Kashmir?
North Kashmir comprises of three districts, Bandipora, Kupwara and Baramulla. The size of business in this zone is 13,760 crores almost in the zone. And Bandipora constitutes almost 7,680 crores of business. Out of which advances are to the tune of 3,400 crores and deposits almost 4,300 crores.
Arshad Saab, how much District Baramulla contributes to the overall business of Jammu and Kashmir Bank?
Baramulla district, the overall business of contribution of Baramulla district is 4.75% of overall business of the bank as a whole.
Okay.
And the zone constitutes a business of 8.75% of the bank.
What is the
all the three districts taken together constitute 8.75%.
What about the presence of JKB network in the district?
There are 58 branches of Jammu and Kashmir Bank in the district of Baramulla, and taking into account all the branches of all the banks. There are 154 branches of all banks operating in this district, and JK Bank has 58 branches. And in terms of business size, JK Bank contributes 79% of overall business of this district.
Okay. As you know that economy of this district is agriculture, mostly dependent on agriculture and horticulture.
Horticulture, yes.
Any schemes for the farmers?
Yes, majority of the schemes are based are horticulture and agriculture based. We have KCC loans, we have horticulture loans, we have loans to the growers as well as the traders. As you know, there is a big mandi operating in Sopore. I think it is the biggest mandi in the whole of Asia, fruit mandi probably, in this region. And we have tailor-made schemes to cater to all the needs of the traders, to every section of the society, from the smallest of the farmers to the biggest of the traders and growers.
It includes the growers as well?
Yes, it includes growers as well as traders.
Arshad Saab, any fresh loans under Prime Minister's economic package?
Yes, recently GECL, Guaranteed Emergency Credit Line, was introduced under the special economic country for the country as a whole. And we have advanced almost 130 crores till date under this package to more than 7,900, almost 8,000 growers, and it is still going on. The last date for the scheme is 31st October, and we hope to disburse maybe 200 to 250 crores under the scheme to all sections of the population, to all sections who are availing credit from our bank. We have already disbursed an amount of 130 crores in favor of all the borrowers who are coming under this scheme, and almost 8,000 borrowers have been covered till date, and we hope to achieve 100% coverage under this scheme by 31st of October, which is the last cutoff date for this scheme. And I hope that we will be able to advance more than 250 crores on this scheme.
And how many have been covered under KCC scheme?
Under KCC scheme, I think 100% coverage has been achieved under the KCC scheme in this district. As a whole, taking into consideration the zone as a whole, we have achieved 100%. There may be some pockets, far-flung areas, border areas, which have not been covered 100% fully, but we hope to achieve it within the next 2 months.
So, what is the cash deposit ratio of district?
It is not the cash deposit ratio. We call it the credit deposit ratio.
Okay.
The advances to the deposits. It is almost 80%, 79.78%.
And what about the guaranteed emergency credit line?
As I said earlier, we have advanced an amount of 130 crores under the scheme till date, and almost 8,000 beneficiaries have been covered under the scheme. The cutoff date for the advancing under this particular scheme is 31st of October. and we hope that we will cover 100% saturation by that date.
How many areas have you covered under financial inclusion plan?
We have covered 100% areas have been covered on the financial inclusion plan.
What different are you giving to the customers than the other banks?
We are giving personalized services to customers under the various schemes which have already been launched, which are already in vogue, running in the bank. New schemes are coming, and we are already we are entertaining the customers under such schemes.
Arshad Saab, there are these short-term crop loans for farmers. Please tell us about its status.
Yes, we have disbursed about 1,600 crores under this scheme till date since the last few years, and we hope to disburse a good amount by the end of this year. We are giving targets to the branches. Rural branches have more targets than the urban branches, and the staff who posted over there, they are doing a good job and in achieving the same. This helps in the upliftment of weaker sections of the society and in the general economic upliftment of the zone as a whole.
Arshad Saab, thank you for talking to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.